$12 a month.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ouachita County in western Oklahoma, west central County in southwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Cooperton, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carnegie, Mountain View, Godibo, and Cooperton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.